Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a question on one of our videos and they were asking if they could expand the additional CSS panel. And the additional CSS panel, for anybody that doesn't know, is where you write CSS to sort of customize your theme. And we do a lot of that in our videos. To get to the custom CSS panel, go to the dashboard, down to Appearance, and then Customize. That'll actually take you to this page right here, and it's down at the bottom. Okay, to expand it, this is going to be a very quick video today. I'm using Google Chrome here with the great inspector tools, so I'm going to right click and inspect. Most browsers have this feature nowadays, but if yours doesn't, Google Chrome is a free download. Okay, let's see what we've got here. As I'm rolling over, you can see what it's actually rolling over. That'll do. Overlay sidebar. I'm going to click on that. If we roll down here, you're going to see width. Simply click on it till it's highlighted like that. You can roll up with your mouse wheel or just type in a value. And as you can see, it's expanding. And you can simply get rid of the inspector there. Now you've got a lot more space. And he was after having more space to write his CSS. And once you're done and you refresh, it'll go back to how it was. So I hope that answers your question. Once again, if I right click, inspect, go up to this top one, Form ID, Customize Controls, WP Full Overlay Sidebar, roll down, and there's the width. Like I say, once you refresh the page, it'll go back to normal, but that'll temporarily give you a lot more space if you need it. So I hope that's answered your question. I hope you've enjoyed this today. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.